Hi there, 7th graders. It's Mr. Kerr, and welcome to World Area Studies. We're actually heading into week 3 at this point, and a couple of things to go over again. With watching this normally Monday morning, Tuesday morning in this case, but every week you're watching this video, and you need to be checking your grade book and go in and check your grades. Now, as I'm sure you've gotten the handle of it now, is that you'll get the new material Monday mornings, and then everything will be due on Friday, and our suggested schedule will go Monday through Friday. You do have the weekend if you need it to get everything done by Sunday night, but my suggested schedule and what I suggest to be your schedule will go Monday through Friday. I will try to get everything graded from last week by Thursday so that I can update your grades and also do the attendance on Thursdays. So everything should be graded by then from the last week. All right. What else did I want to chat about before we get into week 3? Let's see, grades. Oh, and as you go in and check your grades, here in the grades tab, make sure you are looking for the feedback that I give you. That will be taught if you're leaving something incomplete, if you're not doing something. Discussion boards are a big one that we need to make sure everyone is doing. The feedback will be there. I also want to remind you in the Start Here folder, first folder in there, course and instructor info, contact information for me, also the syllabus that you went through, the first 4 assignments you did are in here, and also down here, tips, tricks, and student resources for this class. Please take a look through this. I bet 99% of the questions you might ever have will be answered somewhere in here. And if you need Schoology help, having trouble submitting assignments, it's all in here. Tech tips from Mr. Self. Google Docs, if you ever have any questions. I know I get a lot of questions early on about from people about Google Docs here. Other helpful videos about all sorts of things in here. Presentation tools, graphing help, all sorts of stuff in this tips, tricks, and student resources. So check it out. See what's in there. So this week we are starting week 3, Ancient India, and a couple of things I want to go over. We're going to be talking about questions, and we're going to be, in fact, you are going to be coming up with the questions this week. So first of all, you're going to have a John Green video about ancient India, and then we're going to learn about leveled questions, levels of questions 1, 2, 3, and go over this, see what a level 1 question is, a level 2 question, a level 3 question. Pretty straightforward here. Level 1 questions can be answered actually directly out of whatever you're reading or the video that you're watching, whatever. Level 2, you kind of have to use 2 different parts of the text and a little piece here, a little piece here to answer these questions. Level 3 questions are much more open-ended. Oh, sorry. I'm allergic to level 3 questions, I guess. So here's some examples you might use to do this. And then your first assignment is going to be to create questions based on the reading that you do, the Ancient India leveled questions reading. And also there are more directions and tips and stuff about how to do leveled questions. So you're actually going to create that. You're going to create 2 level 1 questions, 2 level 2 questions, and a level 3 question. If you're not understanding or you're not sure the difference between them, please ask. Happy to go over that. And then, so we'll do posts and replies. Your post will be 5 leveled questions. Again, 2 level 1, 2 level 2, and 1 level 3. And then your replies is you're going to answer all 5 questions of one of your classmates. And try to answer questions that have not already been answered, so everyone gets their questions answered. All right. Then we have one other assignment, the genographic project video. And you're going to watch this video and then answer these questions using the PEA method, point evidence analysis. I'm sure Ms. Hetzel has gone over that with you already, but there's a little checklist of it. But watch the video and then go through the question. There's a question for you to answer, write a paragraph about, and then submit it here in the Dropbox. All right, so that is it for week 3. Let me know if you have any questions. Definitely take some time to check out tips, tricks, and student resources. Check those grades. Make sure you're checking your email and texts every day. And I will talk to you later. Bye.